How to enable always show volume control on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want your iPhone to always show the volume control when your iPhone screen is locked while playing media, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To be able to enable show volume control on all screen on your iPhone must be running on latest iOS 18.2 beta 3. So to confirm this, just go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, click on General, click on Software Update, and hang on for your iPhone to search for the available software update. Then if you're running on iOS 18.2, then you're likely going to have this feature that allows you to show the media control on the lock screen. So if you are a developer, then you need to be on iOS 18.2 beta 3 before you can use this feature. And now once you've upgraded your iPhone to iOS 18.2, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Now under Accessibility, scroll down the page. You also want to click on Audio and Visual. Now locate Always Show Volume Control and toggle this on. Then show volume control on the lock screen for headphone and the built-in speaker. Once this is enabled, you can just exit the page. Now, when next you are playing a media on your iPhone, so let's say you just open any media on your iPhone like this. So while it's playing, you exit it, and then your iPhone screen is locked. Then you're gonna see the volume control on the lock screen. This, you see that? So you can use this to control the media playing on your iPhone. So that is basically how to enable or turn on show volume control on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.